Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be doing an update on the Crown Victoria. Go ahead and give you guys a quick walk around. Just rinsed it off, so it looks pretty good. Still haven't got to the light, but I will get to it. I have to upgrade to change the bulbs out anyway, so go ahead and get to that. Now some of you may notice that there's a slight difference to the Crown Vic today. And that will be the wheel covers. If you haven't been on the channel, I used to have the little center cap in the middle, the police style. I got rid of those. I just went ahead with the full wheel covers. Now these didn't fit properly. Well, they fit, but for some reason they wouldn't screw on. So I just got them on there temporarily until I find out why they're not fitting on. But they do help bring the car out. I think it looks pretty nice. And I will not be going back to the police style little chrome centerpiece. I'm trying to get away from the cop look. I might even change the grill out, so let me know if I should change the grill to a chrome grill. The black is, it's okay, but I think the chrome would definitely help a lot, give it a more, nicer look, cleaner look. Just going for a good, nice, clean look. The black does go great with the lights. I'm probably gonna end up getting the chrome grill and just see how it looks. It's gonna probably look good too. Now I know I am missing two center pieces on the wheels. One of them I gotta find. I put it somewhere because I had three, so I'm only really missing one. I do have to find, probably look online and find another centerpiece. If you have one that you're not using, let me know. I don't mind taking it off your hands. Right now I do have the car running and it warm up. Also, I'm thinking about doing a car meet. I don't know how I want to do it just yet, but let me know if any of you guys would be interested. If you might be close to the area, if you don't mind driving a few miles. I end up doing a car meet. Sun is out today, so it has the paint looking very nice. And also, if you on the like I said, on the center caps or on the wheel covers, whatever you want to call them, like I said, the bolts are not. So just in case someone might know why it's not working, but the piece that screws onto these, it's not fitting. I don't know if it's the wrong size for the screws or what, but that's not fitting. So right now I do have them just tied on there basically for the time being until I figure out why this is not, the piece is not going on there. So let me know if you ever had this problem or know what the solution might be for this. I greatly appreciate it. But other than that, I'm not going to hold you too long. Thank you for watching. Other than that, I will see you on the next video.